Hello everybody, and welcome back to another video by me, Steve Clues. And today I'm reviewing this A60 headset. And this is an A60 model. These can be purchased on Amazon for around $24.99. I'll put a link in the description below, so if you want to buy that, just click the link in the description below and you'll see a link to buy these. This is the black and white version with like chrome around the earpieces, as you can see, and their logo in the middle, and their logo at the top as well. It comes with a braided cable, which is all in at the moment. Everyone likes braided cables. Also, on the wire itself, you get the volume control and the mic off and on, and their logo again. And this part here, when it's on, this lights up white. What's good about this headset is the fact is you haven't got loads of leads. You've just got like one which powers USB, which powers and the sound, and the microphone as well comes through this as well. I've actually tested these myself on YouTube, and they got a good bass on them, incredible bass, and high tones are incredible, in a very good dynamic range. Yeah. Don't think I'm saying anything else really. That's about it. If you want to have specifications there. If you want to pause the video, if you can. The cable itself, what comes with it is 2.2 meters. Yeah, I just thought I'd review this headset. Sorry about the short review. I can't really say much about it. It's a quick review, really. I just thought I'd just share the review of these because they look really nice. Yeah, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.